Hello everyone, this is the small and convenient key cut machine. It is mainly for the alloy key, this type case, and this, to make this. Okay. Here is the cut code. Cut code need manually to input it. Here is x-axis and forward and back and this. It controls here the tools and left and right here. And this is the rotate axis. Rotate is this. Here, this one is up and down. This axis. Here is the key differential. Here is the car differential. If you need to change your key angle, the degree, you need to add it here. From here, added the data from here. And x-axis the distance. The code distance, if you need to add it from here to edit it, it's okay. Manually to add it on page. Okay. How to input the number of case from here to edit. If you want to make 8 number of case, you write 8. If you want to make the 5, you edit from 5. Enter. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 can work, and from here, and no work. Here is the key differential, the cut angle. If you want to make the different angles, you from here to edit the degree. It means the angle degree. If you want to make 14, you write here 140. If you want 20 degree, you need to write 200. The numbers means the degree. Here, if you want the first cut the code, you want to make 105 the 20 degree, you put the 2. If you want to make the 40 degree, you need to put 3 and the same as this. Here is the x-axis the distance. It means the cut distance 1 or 2 is the 15. The 15 distance, then you put 150, and 2 to 3. If same distance, you make the same word. Because the code number is 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can work, and from here it's no work. If you want to make 12 the code, then you can put from here. Also edit the distance. Manually put the key from here and rotate here, clamp the key. Then the spindle starts, and put the start button. And turn another side. Okay, finish. And it's very easy to operate.